These are the OnePlus Buds 3s. They sit bang in the middle of the range, so below the 2 Pros and above the Nord 2s. So they cost around £100, euros or dollars, quite a lot less than their equivalent Samsung or Apple competitors. Now, there are a ton of features. For example, ANC comes in and you get up to 44 hours of battery life when you factor in the case, and ANC is off, which is crazy. But the main question with any earbuds is sound, comfort, design, and well, are they even any good? Let's find out. When you pop in your OnePlus Buds 3s, they sit super comfortably, flush within the ear, and then you got your stem. You got your mic, which is external, which help to block out a lot of outside noise when you're on the phone, but also help when it comes to things like transparency mode and active noise cancellation. In terms of features, you get it all. You can customize these through the Hey Melody app. So essentially here you can change how you pause, play, answer calls, reject calls, skip sounds, and everything. Then if I pop in the other bud as well, on here, let's talk fit in terms of movement. So if you can use them for the gym or you're gonna go for a run, they are absolutely flush. They are not moving anywhere. Standard tips, you get more in the box, and then you get your USB-C cable. Now let's talk about the case. We mentioned price, £100. You get USB-C charging on the back, and then the case itself, build quality wise, you do get a button on the inside for your syncing, and then your indicator light at the front. In terms of build quality, brilliant. These are no different built to the 2 Pros, which we have got at home. They're no different in terms of build. So build quality, the comfort, the feel, the style. So they come in this silver sort of color. You can get me the silver or like a lightish blue. Silver is a bit of a winner if you ask us. It's top notch, really well built, super light and comfortable, but they also feel very durable. So let's talk comfort and sound quality when it comes to actually using it out in the real world. So bit of cheeky little b-roll here, earbuds in, and what you're seeing here is really good quality ANC, up to 44 decibels, which is really good, really high performing. And then sound quality in calls and messages, if you're replying to messages or you're taking calls, is again very good. Transparency mode is somewhat hit of a miss, nowhere near what you'd get on your Galaxy Buds Pros or your AirPod Pros, but it does offer the right level of function. Overall though, features wise, looks wise, build wise, and especially price wise, these are really good value for money. In fact, if we were going to make a comparison, the Nothing Ear A's, which we reviewed recently, which we gave a really good review to because they were very good, these are pretty much the exact equivalent in terms of price and in terms of function. It depends what you fancy and the look and style. OnePlus as a brand obviously is very similar to Nothing because Nothing stems from OnePlus to an extent, but overall I don't think you can go wrong with either. The OnePlus Buds 3s though are a really good buy at £100. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, we out.